Face reveal. This is Generation Zero. It's a post-apocalyptic. It's really just based on one island, one big island. Here it is. It's like has a whole bunch of robots in it and shit, and they're all very hostile. Reload time's so fucking slow. Oh my god! Shit. Oh, come on, fuck off. Dude. Alright, so yeah, if I get a bicycle, you can make bikes in this game and use them as transportation. And they're free, which is cool, but the bikes are like hardly not riding, and I can show you why. But it picks up really good speed if you're on the road, but if you're not, you might as well just, and it can't go up hills worth shit, like as you can see, like I'm pressing W, I'm holding down shift, it's fucked. Like, get off the bike and walk it up the hill if you can't do it, fatty. Alright, I'm really out of shape, and I know I can get over that hill better than she can. Fuck you! Don't shoot. Ah! I have to get running start to get up this hill. Okay. Yeah, like, this is dumb. This fucking... It's not even realistic. Get over the fucking hill. Like, it's not that big of a hill. Look at this. This is so epic. She's got the no fucks given look on her face. Looks like I can. Aha! Alright, now I gotta get past this dude. Oh, fuck. Dodge and weave, dodge and weave. Oh, yeah. I don't even know where I'm going. I need a fucking waypoint. I want to, like, progress in the game, but I feel like I'm stuck in that town. Get wrecked. I think it's cute that you spelled it with a T. I like spelling it with a Q. It's like the fancy way of doing it. It's the equivalent of drinking a beer with your pinky out. That's cool, though. So this could be like my recon weapon. Pop, pop. That was too loud, probably. Oh, here we go. Why is it profile? What are they? Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna play the rest of the game as a cancer patient. Can't go barefoot? What we got back here? False nails. That's what I was looking for. Oh my god. There's so many. Hi. He's my friend. Fuck you. Itch. Oh god. No. Come on. Give me a fucking break. Turned out better than I expected. Wait, where you going? I ain't know you yet, boy. There we go. Oh fuck, I thought that was a shot. I'm so skittish. Oh, okay, you're from Sweden. And you play, okay. So I didn't know this was an actual Sweden game. I thought it was just based in Sweden. The game takes place in Sweden outside of capital Stockholm. Oh yeah. I did a research paper on Stockholm. Played is really well done. Looks kind of like Sweden for real. Right. Trying to avoid the big ones. I might have enough ammo to actually take them down, but there's no way I'm going to be running in circles around them. I'd have to, like, kite them back to, like, a barn, do bullshit stuff like I've been doing in order to kill them. Sweden is a very beautiful country. Also, and I'm sure you can attest to this, has some of the greatest music. Hands down. You got Opeth, you got Bass Hunter, that's all I got for now. I'd have to pull up my music library. Come on. Ah, don't kill me. Oh, save me, bus. Escaped combat. It says I escaped combat, but I don't believe this game because I've quote-unquote escaped combat before. I don't know, like they were like bots that all of a sudden came out of nowhere and they started attacking me. And I'm like, did I really escape combat? I'm gonna fucking die again. Ooh, a pistol. Gimme. I remember looking at statistics at one point. It said Sweden was the happiest country in the world. And how do you measure happiness? You know what I mean? Is it just like overall well-being? Or is it just people voting? Like, did they get like a sample group and be like, this amount of people are happy? Oh, okay, level 1. Level 8? Holy fuck. I was in a level 8 zone. Would that explain why I've been getting my ass kicked? That scared the fuck out of me. Ooh, boy. Sorkin is Vol. So wow. This is very different from what I was expecting it to be pronounced. Played any games from Ukraine or Russia? There was a time I was trying to learn Russian because I think Russian language is very beautiful. It's the only face big robots not tips, so almost dropped a piece of paper. I have a tank on the backs too. Okay. I think I got what you mean. Yeah, so that sucks though because then I have to actually leave the safety of the barns that I've been hiding in to get around them. Before I do that, I'm gonna try to take this guy on. God, that guy's so fucking big. Don't see me. He's just going around in circles. He's a big boy. Oh! Somebody else got me. He's a loud boy. That other guy keeps getting me. Oh, yeah. He fucked me up. I hope he doesn't shoot a rocket at me. Amazing. Ah! Oh, fuck. I'd be like, Jesus Christ, that went right over my head. But I mean, that's what, oh yeah. Well, he hit me that time. Alright, it's go time, baby. Such a bad idea. Yeah, he looks like he's getting closer to being dead. Can I hide behind this tree? Let's see if this works. I'm gonna see if I can bring the EMP weapon with me. He's getting like really close. Holy fuck. Okay, fuck this. How do I activate it? How do I activate it? How do I activate the EMP? Where is it? Oh my god. Wait. Oh wow! He stepped on me and accidentally hit the EMP. Fucking Christ, this is so scary. Stand still! Oh my god, I was so close. Yeah, no, that went a lot better. I'm learning. So that's, I guess, in order to fight those guys, you have to sneak up on them and then just dance around their back the whole time. Owie! Yay! Woo! It took me like 50 minutes! And if I'd done it that way from the beginning, it would have been way better off. Actually, I think that's a good stopping point. I like this game. Way more fun with more people, I'm assuming. Yeah, take care, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching me die.